I'm gonna wash the laundry now.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
That's great. 就把这份工作交给 That's your job, okay? That's your responsibility.
Responsibility.
Yeah, responsibility. 早上好呀，我们又送 Aiden 去上学了。你要不要下车？要不要？要。不要。你同学都在外面，还没开门。
要不要？
不要。
为什么不要？
哦，要。
哦。
要 he wants.
Yeah, every day you tell us,
8点
I want to go to
15
school. I want to go to school.
这边是8点15开门。
I think you can leave, even if you don't have the keys. Bye. Be careful today. Have a good day.
Good day too. You are.
Tomorrow is a big day.
Yeah, tomorrow is our important moment. Okay, 杰森到了，我要来开了。送完孩子回来了，等会儿要上课了，趁着没上课之前，先把昨天去那个家装店拿的这些色板看一下，然后来确定一下房间我们要涂什么颜色吧。我们目前的打算是把客厅给重新换个颜色，然后3个卧室就按孩子们跟我们自己的喜好选一个颜色跟客厅主色搭的一个，反正都是以浅色系为主吧。其实我觉得这种浅绿色啊，大家看一下，可能看不太清楚。它这个是放到主图是放到洗手间的，我觉得做儿童房里的颜色也挺好看的。然后 Aiden 就想要蓝色，你找一个好看一点的蓝色，哪个跟我做不记好。客厅我是更倾向于，可能手机里面看不清啊，我更倾向于这2个颜色，就是它没有那么的灰，但是它又不是纯白的。好了，我准备上课了。
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning. Long time don't see you guys. We got so busy 2 weeks. We try to help the kids find a new school. Yeah, we bought house. We will move next week, I think.
Oh wow, it's busy then.
Yeah, we got so busy yesterday. We go so many furniture store and yeah, but now I can drive now. So great.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so happy I can drive. I got my driving license. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very important. You'll be much more independent.
Yeah. The 2 kids go to school. I have to pick up them. Yeah. 现在带好装备去接 Aiden 放学了，出发。到了。今天上课耽误了有点领导。Hello. Aiden. You don't want to leave?
See you later, alligator.
Okay, bye bye. Thank you. 早上的时候不想来，有一点点情绪，然后一到教室就好了。我们今天来收拾厨具，我们会要给我们一些多余的和用不到的同款的厨具给我们一部分，然后作为我们开始小家生活。
This, my grandma and mom used. That's probably 80 years old.
I saw that
Mm-hmm.
material.
Okay, these are metal measuring spoons. If you like those are nice. I got those from John's mom's place. One of these, you want one of these.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I know what you want.
本来就来1个月的时候，然后我就很震惊，我说怎么会有那么多厨具？当然真是用不到那么多，有些是我婆婆的爸爸妈妈留下来的，有些是我公公他的父母留下来的，所以婆婆他们都没有丢。像这一个明显就好，年代感很强了。
Well, I have so much stuff because my mom.
From your mom,
Nobody else. I was the only one. There was no other brothers and sisters.
Oh yeah.
So you should see what we got rid of.
Yeah. Throw some stuff you don't need, and then next time you move, it's easier, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Because I'm looking for like.
How much you want the house?
How much?
Yeah. Now, how much big? How much is the size?
Oh, this is 2,500 square feet.
Yeah.
Stairs and
20.
basement. I would like 1,200 maybe.
1,200. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If we buy that house have basement, that's perfect.
Uh-huh.
But don't have. That's okay.
No, it's okay.
Yeah,
You
it's
know,
okay for us.
You'll be glad because if the more you have, then you buy more stuff and you.
That's I'm worried.
That's-
I can keep. Don't buy anything I don't need.
Mm-hmm.
But Jason really like shopping.
Yeah,
buy
so
something.
does John.
出发去接杰森了，俩孩子在家，我公婆也在家。出发。
Falling down.
Hey,
How are you?
how are you? Where do you want to
I
go?
want you to drive around to the side over there.
Okay, no problem. Start.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go buy washer or dryer.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
If I don't agree by that much, I talk with mom. Mom told me it's better. You can use more longer.
It's true. Otherwise, you just buy a used one.
我之前打算是买个二手的，先用一下，然后他
We
们
buy
都
a
一
used
致。
one, spend $500, then 1 month, 2 months later.
他们
Then
所
we
有
got
人
to
都
spend
说
another
电器类的
$500.
东西还是买个质量好一点的。买了这一台，有点贵，但是还行走。I know you like that, but I still think it's expensive. But whatever, this I can use 10 years. We'll keep you 10 years.
I know this. We sell the house, we take that with us.
Yeah, that's what I told mom. We will take with us. I know you care, so I really don't care about too much. I just don't understand. I wash the laundry.
I'm gonna wash the laundry now.
Okay, that's great.
Yes.
That's great.
I'm
他买
gonna.
了自己喜欢的电器，然后就把这份工作交给 That's your job, okay? That's your responsibility.
Responsibility.
Yeah, responsibility, okay?
Okay. Oh, maybe.
That's great. That's maybe. That's no. That's you bought a so smart machine, right? That will be so easy job.
Yeah. And my phone will tell me when it's done. And I can start it from my phone. How?
好了，现在回家，好饿了。俩孩子还在家等着。家了，那你把烤箱给打开，烤点披萨吃吧，快一点。预照在这里吃吧。杰森跟公婆坐那里聊天。
Hey, you got a washer and dryer. Wow. Nice one.
A silver one?
Step.
A silver one?
The white one. I saw the washroom will be so small. We have to put toilet. If put a different, I think white can make the room more light.
Good.
Looks.
I trust my wife's
Right.
judgment. If she thinks white, then I say white.
That's right. If she likes white.
好感人。
18 hours. We will sit on the new house and sit on the sofa to talk. Now I feel excited. Now I feel excited.
Yeah, yeah.
How do you move it from Indiana? How do you move to Florida?
How do we move? It
Yeah.
was very hard. John had a
Truck,
truck.
yeah.
Yeah, we had a real nice pickup with, and then we bought a trailer. I never do that way again.
他们真的搬太多次家了，他们现在还想要搬。
Be looking after you sell this place.
Just something small, maybe a.
If like before, that's so hard work. I don't think that can do that again.
We're not up to.
不能再买老破箱了，是不是？ When you sold this house, where do you want to live? Here?
Well, I just think it's kind of expensive here in Newburgh.
Or not Newburgh, means Indiana.
Oh yeah, Indiana. Yeah, maybe Elberfeld. It was cheap living there.
In my memory, my parents also moved many times house. Not like you and dad.
No,
Yeah,
I don't know
that's
anybody else that
yeah, that's
left or
amazing.
not moved. Even though we moved around, we still had our house in Honeygrove. That was our home.
Oh,
But then it was like we'd have to come home, and I had to make arrangements to keep
oh yeah.
the grass mowed and stuff, and so